to Pico has history spanning Axan Britain and was used for various purposes including military exercise. Pico as a local variation has adapted the core hopscotch principle into the unique Filipino game. Pico game utilized local available material like chalk or stick to draw diagrams and stone or tiles as markers. The number of boxes and the pattern of the hopscotch diagram can also vary depending on the number of players. Pico as a traditional game is often played by children and serves as a form of recreation and social interaction. Key feature of Pico diagram. A diagram typically in the shape of a cross or a stylized feature is drawn on the ground of the number section. Markers. Players use markers like stone or tiles which they throw into designated boxes. Hoping. Players hope through the diagram 1 foot at a time. Expect in designated box where both feet are allowed. Rules and penalties. Specific rules dictate the sequence of hoping and avoiding touching lines or placing both feet in single foot boxes. Penalties such as having face marked with powder or lipstick are sometimes applied to losers.